Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be demonstrating how to effectively use Threads and post some engaging content on the Threads app. Let's dive right in. First, open the Threads app. You'll notice that it has a similar layout to Twitter. As you scroll down, you'll come across numerous thread posts from users you follow. To discover more threads, continue scrolling. If you're looking for specific users to follow, you can use the search option at the bottom. In the search section, you'll find suggested users that you can follow with just a click. Feel free to explore interesting profiles and search for your favorite ones, such as Johnny Depp, who portrayed the famous character in Pirates of the Caribbean. If he hasn't posted any threads yet, no worries, just follow him and wait for updates. For instance, let's search for threads related to the DC Comics character, Batman. You might come across an exciting thread titled "I am Batman" posted by the official DC account. Many fans have rethreaded this post, adding their own quotes and videos. You can also create your own threads, sharing your thoughts and engaging content. If you want to share a thread on your Instagram story, both platforms are interconnected. By sharing a thread on your Instagram story, your followers can view it, and if they click on it, it will open in the Threads app. To post a new thread, click on the white button at the bottom center of the app. You can type a quote or any content you want to share. If you have a file or link to attach, you can use the link button to include it. Once you're ready, simply post it. Now, when people view your thread, they can like, share, and reply to it. You can keep track of all this activity in the dedicated activity section. To see all the threads you've posted and the replies you've received, click on the profile icon in the bottom right corner. In the upcoming video, I'll show you how to edit your profile and customize other settings within the Threads app. To stay updated with future videos like this, please subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.